everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a haul or a unboxing. I have been to Elgiganten. It's a store where you can buy electronics like computers, TVs, cameras and everything around the electronics. So I am going to record when I unbox all of these things and then we're going to test this new camera. Actually, I went to two stores and in one of them I bought this. It's the PowerShot G7X Mark II from Canon. This is a very popular camera in the vlogging or YouTube world. So I thought I would have this when I'm going to places and traveling, vlogging overall camera. And you also get a GorillaPod, a memory card in the same box. So this was 5,999 Swedish crowns, so around $600. And also I ordered the Sony A6400. I don't know how to pronounce that, but okay. That wasn't in stock, so I have to order it. So that camera I will use in my my setup in my beauty room. So let's open this. And also I ordered a Sigma lens. Do you say lens? Objective? I don't know. It's only 32 gigabytes, so I will show you later, but I feel like this will be good a while. So just a lot of things here. So the cables. So you can put the screen. Viewfinder, I think you call it. So you see when you're vlogging, and that is very important when you're vlogging, so you can see if you're in focus and everything. I really like this. Okay. I don't know what day it is. Is it the 12th? Yeah. What annoying sound. So I will switch cameras now and we'll see if this will last with the battery, because it's only 2 dots. I love this. Okay, let's continue. Now we're filming with the new camera. I have no idea if the microphone is good at all, but we'll see. Now we have a lot more things to open. So I bought this tripod from Hama. I was going to buy another at first, but they didn't have it, so I thought it will work as good. Okay, so you get a bag with it. Fancy. That's so good. It also has this screw, so you can just put your camera on and you don't have to buy anything with it, so that's very good. Okay, that's not high at all. 125 centimeter. I don't know if this is. Is it? It looks very short. Now we'll see if it's accurate. How the fuck should you take it out? I'm sure this is very easy. I'm just a bit stupid. Okay, now I get it. What did I say? I'm just fucking stupid. That's long as fuck. I'm like, oh no, is that so short? I'm not going to be able to film. Oh my god. The next thing is portable storage. So this is for all my videos, pictures, files and everything on my computer, because I'm like filling all the space in there. So instead of buying something I have to put in the computer, I bought this portable storage. So you just plug it in and then you can transfer all your files, and I feel like that is very comfortable. So this is 1 terabyte and it's from HD Elements SE. So I'm going to test this later. And then, okay, I bought a lot of things. Too much fucking packaging. I don't have a card reader. Do you say that? I don't have a card. I can't put cards in my computer, so I bought this. So you just plug it in also and put the cards in here so you can transfer your files. The portable storage thing and this card reader costs like $20 or $30 each, so that wasn't so much. The last thing we have now is a microphone. This was $80, I think. This looks very fancy. So this is a microphone. Okay. So we're going to go downstairs with the tripod and I will show you. Oh, okay. Fuck. I'm going to show you my future beauty room. So I will have the camera there and some studio lights, of course, and there I will have my backdrop, table and everything, and then in the future I will have storage here and here with all the makeup, of course. So it's very nice in here, and I do not use this room, so it's perfect for filming. Oh, yeah. So I will put all of these where they are going to be, and then I'm going to edit the video and put this up so you can see this. I'm so excited. Finally I can put on some really good content to all of you, and that's always been my vision, so now I can. So I'm going to edit this now and I see you in the next video. Bye!